Hello viewers, welcome to our today's tutorial on how to create a shapefile based on select from existing shapefile. So I have added my data. You can see my shapefile. Then I want to extract the inner. So I go to select by selection location. So here I will tick the shapefile which I'm interested to create, which is NGA admin 2. Then the other one is my boundary shapefile. So I'm here to extract the NGA admin 2. So here I will select have they are created in the source layer feature, the last one. So I'll choose this last one. Then apply. You can see I've highlighted the shape of my interest. I'll click on OK. So having done that, I'll go back to my table of content and right click on the NGA. Then go to data and export data. Then choose on input folder. So click on save. Then OK. Yes. Now I successfully create this folder. I'm using folder from the existing 2 shapefile. So you successfully create the shapefile of that particular LGA from the admin 2 under select by location. So please do us a subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for our next videos. So this is how to extract, create a folder from such a shapefile. When you add this out shapefile, so you're going to extract your area of interest. You select based on location. You can also do that based on attribute. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe and share.